Ever wonder why some websites show up first when you search for something online? That's all thanks to SEO, search engine optimization. But what exactly is SEO, and why is it so important for websites? Let's break it down. SEO stands for search engine optimization. In simple terms, it's the process of making a website more visible to search engines like Google. Imagine Google as a giant library, and SEO is how websites make sure they get placed in the front row, where people are more likely to find them. SEO works by helping search engines understand what your website is about and whether it's useful to people searching for that topic. There are a few key things search engines look for, like keywords, the words people type in when searching. If your website has the right keywords, it's more likely to show up. Site speed. Faster websites rank higher because nobody likes waiting for pages to load. Mobile friendliness. Since more people search on phones, Google ranks mobile-friendly sites higher. The better your site does in these areas, the more likely it is to appear at the top of search results. SEO is super important for businesses because it helps people find your website. Imagine having the best store in the world, but it's hidden in the middle of nowhere. No one will visit. Good SEO makes sure your website gets seen by the right people. That means more visitors, more customers, and more success. So, SEO is all about helping your website stand out in the massive online world. By optimizing your site, you can get it noticed, ranked higher, and ultimately grow your business. SEO. Helping you get found online. Want to learn more tech terms? Subscribe and stay tuned for more easy explanations.